What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be kicking off the first video out of the shop with a little bit of a car reveal. So to give you guys a little bit of a backstory on this car, because you made it seem like the car got completely flooded.
Okay,
So,
well, it didn't get flooded.
So what happened was the sunroof drains were clogged, so water ended up getting in, basically corroding the ECU, and that's why it has been sitting for 4 years. I'd cut out the carpet, probably not the smartest idea, because I didn't want any water left in there. I wanted it to be completely dried, and then I just tucked it away, and it's been under a car cover for the longest time. All right, so with that being said, this is my Nissan 1992 240 SX. Throughout the 4 years of this thing sitting, it's gotten in just less of a good condition. One of the biggest things is the bubbles on the paint. I think it's just on the hood and headlights.
You can kind of see them
at the moment. Other than that, it's a really clean, no rust, unmolested.
Stock KA.
Honestly, the worst thing about this car is probably the paint job, and it's not terrible, but they didn't do the best job.
So this is showing the stock KA. It's nice, clean.
Psych! Nah. So this is an RB25 DET. It is fully built, cams, oversized valves, bored out, piston rods, the whole nine. It was previously tuned 50/50, 110 and 93, which I'm not really a fan of, but it was making 600. We do have an ECU coming in, so we're gonna be able to get this. Honestly, to get this thing running, we don't really need too much. I mean, it looks filthy right now.
We'll go through it, make sure everything is good, no leaks, no nothing. Get the ECU in here.
First being first, we gotta give this thing a nice wash because it's filthy.
Yeah.
But
we gotta
there's
clean
so
this.
many goodies on this car. Immaculate dash. Interior was good. I just have to source a carpet now.
Basically stock interior, just the
S15 wheel.
Need a new carpet. Dash is mint.
Underneath, I'm excited to get this thing back up on the lift. I really want to take a look underneath because zero rust. This car was a Southern car, so really good condition.
Let's wash this thing real quick and throw it on the lift.
Yeah.
So, now that we cleaned the outside of the car and the engine bay, what are we doing? We gotta clean the bottom of the car.
Yeah, I mean, look at it. It's honestly in great condition, surprisingly. It looks like there was some sort of undercoating. Pretty good undercoating too, not like cheap shit.
Nah, it looks like cheap shit.
Super clean, especially for it sitting for 4 years. So just kind of going through, getting all the thick stuff off. And you really want to tape this thing up and power wash.
Yeah, we're gonna tape it up. We're gonna throw some plastic sheet around it.
Nah. Show us off a little bit. Come on now, look at this thing. 1992, thing's immaculate. Pinch welds, look.
Straight
as me.
Straight as your middle finger. Let's tape this up and start power washing. Well, that was a mess.
Let's see what shit came off of it. Stained the goddamn concrete.
Alright, we changed the oil, got a battery for this thing. And huge shout out to Jimmy Oaks, the one and only. Sent us over this Link ECU plug and play.
If you want a link, the best of the best, hit Jimmy's line. Hop below, chop Jimmy Oak. You know?
Let's take a look at this thing actually real quick.
Do a little unboxing.
I do not, so I'm pretty sure this is just like
stickers?
no stickers, no.
You guys need this, don't throw this away if you get a link ECU.
ECU, we forgot the U part.
ECU.
So, we don't have...
Whoa, how'd you rip that so fast?
I might have opened it. Look at this bad boy.
Okay.
We don't have a box to this, like a case for it.
We gotta get a case.
Well, I do have the other one that was in here, the one that got flooded.
Okay, it got a little bit wet, alright? And it shit the bed. What, you wanna try and make that one fit in the AEM?
Might as well. We don't have any other ECU cases.
Yeah, we could probably figure something out. And or make one. Could be like a seal or something. If you do put in a case, maybe.
You should probably read the instructions.
Yeah, I don't do that. You and every single guy who gets something from IKEA, and their girlfriend's yelling, just look at the instructions. I fucking got.
Alright, so next step is we have the oil catch can and the coolant overflow coming in tomorrow. So we got those. We gotta install that, throw the battery on, put some oil in, and we're ready for turbo mic tuning.
Shout out. Turbo mic.
This thing ripped, dude.
I think he's gonna come down. He's gonna end up coming down here and helping us get this thing.
Get this thing at least buttoned up, so if there's any leaks or anything, we can resolve
Do a
that
nice
here before we go
base
over
map.
to him.
Maybe I can convince him, since he's over here, if he does decide to come.
Get this thing sounding better.
I need a better limiter on this. I hate it. Still sounds like a VQ.
This thing's limiter sounds so good, it like backfires.
Did
Yeah, whatever.
So most ECUs obviously have the boost gauge built into them. So in that case, since the old one didn't have one, we're just gonna tee off of this guy here, wherever that goes to. It doesn't really matter because all it does is it's reading the volume of the intake. So we're just gonna throw a T in here real quick, boom, run the other one down and into the ECU. Quick, easy, right?
Something like that.
Quick, easy, fucking tangled up. All right, so that's buttoned up. Looks honestly better than everything else in here. The ECU is all connected in, and did you mount it?
I didn't mount it, I just threw it under the...
And mounted. Tomorrow we're gonna be pulling off the valve covers probably, and possibly the turbo, maybe.
We'll see. We're gonna refresh as much as we can. That basically wraps it up for today's video. In the next video, we're gonna be doing the catch can. Yeah, the clapping is just a trend here. Everybody. I know. Every time people start the video, it's like the thing to do. Catch can, overflow, and whatever else we can get our hands on. Powder coating, cleaning up, kind of trying to fix this mess.
Bro, this was built by West Coast constantly.
Let's go, pimp my ride. Shout out, Fitty.
Exhibit, bro. He built this fucking thing. All right, you interrupted me. You end the video.
Okay.
Bye.
That's it.
That's it, dude. I don't care about this. Wait till we get some E30 content, then I'll be all excited. But this is RB crowd. Get out of here, bro. No.